كا مسوحا بالله دونه وحن بالله لها ميلك بالله بقر الله بس مش هكون رئيسية مستمان له.
Let's do basal.
Okay. Easy for me.
فانت حاجين كسرها.
لو مسوق لسه. تميرو بتشتري أنا بس عشان تشتري.
Okay, that's fine.
حل ربي من باش نغسل الكيس. ميرا سيت سيفين كيف قد ماني لكن كان إيه رقم كويس صراحة.
كانت سيت سيفنجز كسرين.
تلقى شغل قبنا هي سيت سيفين تشرشر أنشارد توميروز بصشة درايد أونيونز for storage. It's a lot of work. Steak tomatoes on it. Steak tomato. Isn't that a steak tomato?
Beautiful.
Just showing you, that's all.
Mm-hmm.
Hadda waa la karinaya. Percaya. Kah?
horta is hot. Mara ma haysano?
Mara what?
Yeah.
Oh, so cute then.
Waxay yiraahdeen qalaansho qoorneer. That smells incredible. That cumin. How much longer do you think?
Done.
It's done. Okay, just 64 million more of them to go. And that's it. These will be jarred until probably February Ramadan, inshallah.
I'm putting in a bag because there's no jar in Somaliland.
So eventually when we run out of jars, unfortunately plastic Ziploc baggies.
You only use what you have. There's no jar, so we use in the bags. And then we're gonna freeze them, and then we're gonna use them one by one for our meal. Talaagadan ku guraynaa, marka waxaanu isticmaalaynaa maalin walba mid baa la soo saaraya cuntada lagu karinaya ama laba ama saddex.
And believe it or not, guys, it literally took us from Dhuhr to Maghrib to complete this. That's 6 hours and then some to start packaging it and freezing them. So this is our method of staying sustainable in the motherland, saving some delicious sauce for another rainy day. Anyway, if you liked the video and you got any value from it, leave us a like. And we'll catch you guys in the next episode. I'm sure there's a few more delicious meals to come. There'll be a few more delicious meals to come. Today was just storage day and a little bit of seed saving, of course. That's next season's harvest, inshallah. Seed saving.